Na yemra my Ghana yemra shebedwe medon kuma wamra shebedwe fie de so boye mu oden ebo Ghana ban se bank ba ko ewo mayi mu ye friend se ye National Investment Bank etweneti se NIB no Ghana ban na borobosia wo hodomo a bunu egu na so mpese obetua e ka ho bi na amasa bank no e ya hwease
Dom kuma wamra shebedwe fie de so bo ebo Ghana ban ne se oka ho bi na National Investment Bank ye egu wo man emu eno nti odenkra amane o man Ghana ban ne se so paniye mu dia 860 million Ghana cedis ka wo de National Investment Bank no aban ne mbon homoden na wontwia owia onfa hwehwe bi ngu akwema ebetumi ma bank ya safa ne ntuma pa efra ranking member Emma Finance Committee Isaac Adongo ekasa ye kire se Ghana ban etu anamo a opese ADB eto NIB no eya de bebe ha adwen wo man Ghana mo esansa anya kura no Ghana de shebebro han wo 800 na wo mbehwere wo majuma.
We also agree that this singular shareholding of ADB makes it even more dire in terms of the actions that are contemplated with NIB. The complexities often introduced into these simple and obviously common sense finance decisions are mind-boggling. It looks as if many of the government and Bank of Ghana staff are deliberately making things look more complex than they actually are, so they can confuse the average Ghanaian and in the process loot from that process.
Enwachi Dr. Atuforsen ya wano ye panyimpa ododom kumana no womra shebedwe fie enso denkra ma na Ghana ban se omomodin ya se de atochem e wo NIB ho bia no obetenetene na se de be ya NIB ebesanso so ye gina brane.
We contend that collapsing NIB is not an option. 2, merging NIB to ADB is certainly not an option because it will come with its corresponding job losses. Already, we have issues with employment. We believe there is space for NIB to survive. We believe there is space for ADB also to survive. Ghana deserves NIB, and Ghana deserves ADB. They have special mandates, and it should be respected as such.